So one of the things that we're really big on at Legacy that has allowed us to see just such phenomenal results is coaching. So here at Legacy, as a loan officer, you are able to plug into our coaching program. It's made available to anybody who wants to participate, and you basically are on another call every other week with like-minded producers, like-sized producers, and you're being coached by the best, the top producers at the company, and we all lead by example. So there's not any coach that's going to coach you here at Legacy that isn't making their calls, building a team, fixing loan problems just like you are, time blocking their calendar, like really digging into the best way to do loans, the best customer experience, the best way to grow, the best way to take care of their teams. And you're being coached by people who are doing it themselves all day, every day. So if you're somebody who wants to grow and wants to get coaching from people who are relevant and still in the business, Legacy is the place to be for that coaching and that growth.